This is the Wisecrack, and it's a place where we give you the latest windshield repair news, exclusive offers, tips, tricks, and much more. So let's get it. It's May, so that means Mother's Day is right around the corner. So we would like to give a special shout out to all the moms in the auto glass industry. And we hope that everyone is crushing life and ready to attack May with enthusiasm unknown to mankind. Now let's get right to what's happening with us. We have our summer class training dates dialed in for Eugene, Oregon. June 17th and August 19th are the dates. So if you're looking to become a windshield repair pro and take your repair quality to the next level, hit us up so you can join us for a training class. Did you know when you have questions, we have answers? You can call us, you can email us, and you can text us. When you want to text, just click the chat icon on the webpage and ask your question. We're always here to help, so please don't hesitate to reach out. Since we're talking about connecting, you can stay up to date with all that we've got going on through our social media channels. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So if you hadn't already, make sure you give us a follow. Now it's time to talk deals. For the month of May, we got all our bridges on sale for 20% off. That's right, the B150, the B250, B300 with any injector configuration is 20% off. So if you're looking to add another bridge to your arsenal, you want to take advantage of this deal. Also, drop a comment below and let us know what your favorite bridge is. I'll start. My favorite bridge is the B300 with the spring type injector. And with that being said, we want to be mindful of your time and come to a close. So we would like to thank you for watching and do us a favor by clicking the like button. Also, be a friend and tell a friend by sharing this video while we leave you with a little motivation.